Taking our passport. When we will come back, then we can get back the passport. This is the use. I'll just show you internal everything. Berlin Oceanis. This is. Now I'm just showing you. एक्चुअली ये पासपोर्ट तो जमा कराते हैं जब इंटर में, लौट के आके आपको ये पासपोर्ट मिलेंगे फॉर सेफ्टी रीज़न. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग. यूज सब कुछ है इसमें, कैफेटेरिया से लेके एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर. यू कैन जस्ट सी. जस्ट सी वी आर इन द क्रूज. कैफेटेरिया. You can have here also breakfast, everything.
Without milk and cold tea है without milk, slightly sweet, hot and cold tea sweet, और ये white coffee ये अच्छी है.
level 7. Now you can see level 7. शिप का लेवल 7 है और आप देख सकते हैं समुंदर, गहरा समुंदर, बीच में ये शिप है और ये बहुत ही मतलब आप ये समझ लो इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि देखते ही बनता है। और ये सबसे टॉप लेवल है। एक इसके ऊपर भी लेवल है लेकिन वहाँ पर जाना सेफ्टी रीजन से अलाउड नहीं है। नाउ दिस इज आई एम शोइंग यू, ओके, दिस इज लेवल 7, जस्ट आई एम शोइंग यू level 7. Safety region, this is top, you can say, आप शिप के ऊपर। ये बहुत बड़ा है, इसमें करीबन कैपेसिटी है नियर अबाउट, यू कैन से नियर अबाउट 2000 people at a time can be here, even more than that. The load capacity. Now I am taking you to topmost floor. Now this is, now just see, cordon off because not allowed. So now we have reached, at night it is not allowed. So now we have reached at the top, you can say. So good and fabulous, you can say. I am just enjoying, you know. And then I have come to another section. This is, you know, gym, tennis also you can have here. Tennis game, just you can see. So this is what, एक पूरी दुनिया है शिप में। ये पोर्शन दिखा दे रहा हूँ आपको। You can see Berlin Ocean, Moroni. Now you have to be careful. Just see the ship moving. Now I have to be there with it carefully. So this is what I wanted to just show you. This is ship. पूरा एक समझ लो छोटा सा एक शहर दिखता है, इतनी बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ लेके चलता है। आपका स्विमिंग पूल से लेके एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर। नाउ यू कैन जस्ट सी, आप कोई भी चीज़ शॉप से आप खरीद सकते हैं। यू कैन जस्ट बाई इट आउट। मर्लिन ब्यूटी क्लिनिक, याच क्लब, लाइब्रेरी, हेयर एंड ब्यूटी, ब्रीफिंग रूम, दिस इज़ ऑल व्हाट इज़ हैविंग दिस शिप। Now just see Yacht Club. might see this another boat is just helping to or navigate this cruise to its position. Earlier you might have not seen this boat now, but this has come to just navigate this to this port. So for providing extra force external, this is required to navigate the cruise to its starting position. Again I will show you. Now sunrise is about to happen. Now it is reaching towards its starting point. The ship is sailing. हाँ So you can just see it is a pier or harbor, whatever you say. This is the ship which...
What is the name of the ship?
This is Berlin Ocean. And such a 12 hours journey it could be. Thank you, Berlin Ocean. So this is...
What all activities it was having, and do we get meals inside it?
Yeah, meals 2 times with the ticket. Veg, non-veg, immense. And it is just like a buffet system. Not only this buffet system, you will get everything inside. आपको यदि टैग पे खेलना है कुछ भी तो आप खेल सकते हैं. लाखों करोड़ों रुपए उसमें आप जीत सकते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? कैसीनो है, जो मल्टी डिफरेंट लोग जो हैं कैसीनो का शौक रखते हैं.
कैसीनो मशीन्स हैं,
वो आप इस वीडियो में देखे होंगे. पार्ले हैं और शॉपिंग है, अंदर स्विमिंग पूल है, एडवेंचरस काफ़ी चीज़ें दी हुई हैं. 3-4 इसमें नियर अबाउट 7 लेवल्स हैं. तो इस लेवल का हमने वीडियो डाला है. जस्ट
3 तरीके के रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं और बाकी कुछ प्लेइंग एरियाज हैं. VR है फॉर किड्स.
Yes. So it is complete. You can say 12 hours you are busy. My daughter booked a room. You can book it room for you, cabin room, beautiful cabin room. You will get king size bed, everything equipped.
It will be having washroom inside?
Yes, washroom.
Do we get supplies?
Yes.
Supplies as in like water bottle or
water bottle.
Brush and everything?
Yeah. Towel, brush, like a 5-star hotel, whatever you are getting.
Do we get safety kit inside?
Yes, safety kit is also there.
Was it having window?
Yes, it was window in the room, cabin room, so you can see every activity. So ultimately we have enjoyed.
Was there any performance or karaoke or something like that for
performance of the music group with a different level? Everything is full energy.
What was happening in the performance?
Singing, dancing, and so many programs were there. You can certainly enjoy. So just see, just making the way out. I have enjoyed with my family. The 12 hours given me, we were all together, eating together 2 times and then seeing all the program, and that's all. I love it. And again, the whole credit goes to my daughter and my son-in-law to manage this at Malaysia, at Penang City, near Georgetown. Okay.
Was there any difficulty in getting tickets or the process of entering? How was it?
Very easy process. You need to